shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's very special Valentine's Day Daily Dark Pool Whisper for February 14th. Listen, I don't care if he or she says they don't want anything. You better go out and buy something. Just go ahead and buy some chocolate. Everybody loves chocolate, okay? Let's start with the SPY. Yeah, let's start with the SPY. Wow, we're going to the moon. We're going to be bullish above 338.50. Yep, that's the level, bull level today. Bearish below 336.50 just for a retracement trade. Whenever you see retracement, yeah, it's a shorter term bear trade to support. Yeah, I'm not telling you to go short or be bearish for a long time. It's just a short-term retracement. I always feel like I need to reiterate that. When we go below massive dark pool prints, yeah, that's when I'll say put protection on. We're below the prints, and that's a whole different story. All right, but these little retracement trades, back to support, back to resistance, they're just for day trading. Okay, the E-minis, bullish above 33.90. Bearish below 33.67.50. I didn't do the Russell because there was no volume this morning. Really so light. So let's just go to the Qs. Bullish above 235.50. And by the way, we hit 235. Ding, ding, ding. That was our target. You guys know about that in the Java pit. That special price that we talked about. We finally hit that. Yep. So we're only going to be bullish above 235.50. All right. See yesterday's whisper? Yeah, it was bolded right here. This target. Yep. Whenever I bold a target, it's a very special level. Okay. Pay attention to that. Okay. Bearish below 232.50 for the QQQs. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. We're going to be bullish above 96.60 and bearish below 95.85. Let's go to the oil futures. Yeah, oil has been playing around with us. Look, it's the weekly candle. We're watching this with suspense today. Yeah, look where we've gone. We went above this line right here, that trend line. Let's see if we can stay above that today or if they upthrust it. Okay, that's really key to watch, especially on a Friday with the weekly candle. So we're going to be bullish above 52.37 and we're going to be bearish below 51.60. All right, that's where this other trend line, where the trend line is. So if we go below that, that's why I picked that level down to the pivot. We'll most likely do one of these guys. But then if we do go below 51.37, then we have a whole new set of levels down here. All right, I didn't put them in there, but just know those are your levels. Okay, gold. Let's see what's going on with gold. Let's check out the weekly chart as well. Yeah, so here's that trend line that we've been watching on gold. Are we going to stay above it? Yeah, this is key. Looks like we might, but you never know. A lot of stuff happens. And I'm going to be bullish above 15.80. We just went above that right now. And bearish below 15.75. Let's go to a 5-minute. Okay, 15.75 below this pivot. If we go, I actually chose it even lower. Okay, so here's our bear and here's our bull for gold futures. All right, let's go on and individual stocks because we have quite a bit. Put that back on oil. Okay, let's start with CGC. Leslie in the Java pit told us she loved this yesterday. Leslie, again, you are right. Yeah, she's one of our long-term traders, and she's been doing this a long time, and she's from Canada, and she loves her cannabis stocks. She knows her cannabis stocks. And so today we were bullish above 22.50, and we've already hit a couple of targets since I sent this out quite a while ago. But Doesn't mean we can't trade it. Watch that 24 level. Today, my boot campers are going to be doing the live trading challenge. Don't be nervous, guys. Okay, listen, follow my rules. If you follow my rules, you're going to win. But I don't care if you make money breaking my rules, you're not going to win the challenge. And we do give out prizes. Okay, so watch the 24 level on CGC, YNDX. And bearish below 2150, by the way. YNDX, bullish above 4750 for retracement trade. And bearish below 47. And I think that, you know what? Our trade happened already. We were watching this. How cool is that, guys? We were watching this morning for this gap fill. And sometimes the trade happens pre-market, but it did exactly what we thought was going to happen. They were going to come and fill the gap. So now what? Well, we're still going to be bullish above 47.50 for a little retracement back to the 8. And we'll still be bearish below 47. It's still a good level, but that trade really did happen, the gap fill. And I sent that out earlier. But great for you to see that, you know, great education. There's going to be many more examples of that. Okay, AMD. Bullish above 55.50. So AMD trades very similar with NVIDIA a lot of times. Yep, 55, and I'll go over NVIDIA shortly. Bullish above 55.50. This was a huge winner yesterday for us in boot camp. Great trading. Yep, we'll see what it does today. Bearish below 54.98, and that's a retracement trade. Okay, back to the 4 EMA and Person's pivot. Let's go to pins. Who's going to trade AMD today? Let's see if anybody says it in the boot camp. So today we're going to also look at pins. Yeah, Pinterest. Bullish above 23.50. And that's not it's a retracement trade, not to the 8, but to Person's pivot. Okay, so it'll be above the 8, but still a retracement trade to Person's pivot, which is around 23.73. There's going to be resistance right there. And bearish below 22.80. 22.50 is such a major level. Yeah, I do expect a bounce there in that area. But then if it can't hold, yeah, this is a magnet. These two moving averages here, the simple 30 and the simple 100. You have two algos, computers that are loaded to buy in that area. In fact, I did see somebody on the Instinet at 22.20. He's still there. See? Yeah, he cut the line a little bit. Yep, there's a guy loaded to buy right there. All right, let's go to AFA. Yep, AFA. Bullish above 450. We have a seller. I think I saw him at 465. See if he's still there. Yep, he's still there. In fact, let me put that here. Forgot to put that in. Yep. Seller at 65. So that's why 62 is my first target on that. And if it can go above that, I do see upside potential to this 475, 487 level. Yeah, but there's that seller at 65, so watch that. Okay, I like to scale out. Scaling equals happiness. All right, SPCE, Christina's favorite. Yeah, Virgin Galactic. So we're going to be bullish above 24.50 and bearish below 24 for a retracement trade for SPCE. That was a big winner yesterday. NVIDIA. Yeah, holy moly, NVIDIA going up a lot. So 290, really key level. We hit that pre-market, sellers were loaded, pull back. If we can go above that, gap and go scenario. Watch that 15 exponential moving average on the 5-minute chart. That's huge. Bearish below 286 for a retracement trade. Okay, so again, right? So bullish above 290 and then a retracement possible trade 286, 285 area. Yeah, down to maybe 280. All right, we have support on the 5-minute in this area. These guys are very powerful, so if they do start to take it down, I would expect a bounce. So watch those if you're going to trade NVIDIA. Let's go to Tesla. Everybody's favorite. I know you guys love this. Tesla in a wedge. Bullish above 805. Bearish below 785. We're testing it. You know what? Really, the 780 is probably a better level. Yeah, I'm going to change that. Because this 200 moved. So I'm going to change that. Yeah, hold on. I have to change everything now. Look out. Live changes. Target. 777.50. Yeah, I'm going to just make a couple of minor to 764. Okay, 765. Yeah, and again, you know, I'm always looking at where the 200 is on a 5-minute chart. You don't want to go short when we're coming down to it. So I'm going to put a change. Hold on a minute. Just copy and change this. Change on bearish level. I'm allowed to change my mind, you know. I'm a woman. Okay, let me just copy and paste that. Yeah, as long as the market hasn't opened too. I don't change it after the market. Okay, let's go to the next one. Roku. Roku, we're going to be bullish above 152.50. That's really key resistance. And bearish below 150. All right, yeah, watch that 50 simple moving average. Yep, that's going to move. Again, you know, your best short is always going to be from here to here. Yeah, there's a small trade there. Again, it's constantly moving. So if you're trading Roku, watch that. Take profit there and then put your stop where you shorted it. You don't want to lose on the second half if it has a wicked bounce off that. Sometimes it comes down to it, has a small bounce, kind of stays there for a little while and then melts down. So that'll be worth watching. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for February 14th, 2020. Until next time, have a great 3-day weekend, by the way. Yep, we will not be here on Monday. Yeah, enjoy your 3-day weekend, everybody. Take care.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.